Let's learn Sinhala greetings. First one, Ayubowan. 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 It means may you live long. We are wishing a long life. It is a traditional Sinhala greeting used to say hello, welcome, or goodbye respectfully. Usually we say Ayubowan while joining our hands like this. However, sometimes we don't do that, especially in casual situations. How are you? ඔයාට කොහොමද? ඔයාට කොහොමද? Here you can see two different things, DHA and DA. It is because Sinhala has two different sounds for these letters. Unlike English, the correct sound in this word is the softer DHA sound, the sound, which is made with the tongue touching the teeth. කොහොමද? First one, DHA, is the tongue touching the teeth. කොහොමද? Second one, da. It's not touching our teeth. කොහොමද? So the correct one is the first one. කොහොමද? So in my other lessons, when you see DHA, it means you should pronounce it as the. The. So here, for this question, there are three possible answers and you can use any of them. Simple answer, හොඳයි. හොඳයි is good, fine. Here first one, මට හොඳයි. I'm good, I'm fine. හොඳින් ඉන්නවා. හොඳින් ඉන්නවා. That means I'm doing well. Third one, අවුලක් නෑ. අවුලක් නෑ. No problem, it's okay, I'm fine. Like that. So, අවුලක් නෑ is a casual phrase that we usually use with friends or people of a similar age. We don't normally use it with older adults or in formal situations as it can sound too informal. And also in the second one, හොඳින් ඉන්නවා, you need to pronounce this double N. ඉන්නවා. Here, first N is not a silent letter, so you need to pronounce it. ඉන්නවා. There are two ways to ask, how are you? First one, ඔයාට කොහොමද? ඔයාට කොහොමද? ඔයාට කොහොමද? It's very polite. Second one, කොහොමද? කොහොමද? It's a very casual way. Next, manners and politeness. Thank you. ස්තුති. 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 You need to pronounce that S. ස්තුති. Blessings. First one, බුදු සරණයි. බුදු සරණයි. May the blessings of the Lord Buddha be with you. Commonly used by Buddhist people when parting ways. And also it's a blessing. බුදු සරණයි. Next one. ජේසු පිහිටයි. ජේසු පිහිටයි. God bless you. Commonly used by Christians as a farewell or blessing. Machan means Bro, mate, dude. Very casual, friend to friend. The thing is, Machan is a very casual Sinhala slang word used between friends. So, normally we don't use Machan with adults. What's up? මොකද වෙන්නේ? මොකද වෙන්නේ? මොකද වෙන්නේ? This one also same like Machan. It's very casual slang, so we don't use with adults. Time-based professional greetings. First one. සුබ උදෑසනක්. Good morning. සුබ උදෑසනක්. Second one. Good afternoon, evening. සුබ සන්ධ්‍යාවක්. සුබ සන්ධ්‍යාවක්. Third one. Good night. සුබ රාත්‍රියක්. සුබ රාත්‍රියක්. That's all for this lesson. If you have any questions, please drop a message.